Hey guys, so it seems you have a busted axle like me. And you're curious if you do. If you're having something like that happen, you probably have a broken axle. If you reach in, you do something like that and it just wiggles like crazy, you probably have a broken axle. So what we're gonna do, fastest video as I can, that's a 17. We're gonna use that. We're gonna also use a closed-end wrench on the other side. We're gonna pull this lower A-arm back. We're gonna take that nut off the other end of the axle, slide out this way, lift everything up, and then we're gonna attach it all back up, put the new paint marks. But these are both 17. I believe this is a 32. I'll check that out when I get to it. But we'll get this done quick. All right, boys, so once you get these back bolts out, take the shock out, you can lift this whole thing up, axle slides out, and then you slide the new one in. Right, now when you're pulling on this axle like crazy, you can get a pry bar in. There's the front. You get a pry bar in from right back here, from underneath, and just give it a little bit of help. Oops. Give it just a little bit of help from underneath there while you're tugging. And it'll pop right out. And there she is, all back together. Make sure you get a new paint mark on all your bolts and nuts or whatever that are in there. Went with the Rhino 2.0s. I ordered them Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Finally got them in. They came in last night at like dark. So it takes a while to get them in, but it just takes a minute to put them in. If you have the 17 mil and a pry bar and whatever else. I'd use a tie strap to hold this up while you're working. I think that'd be a lot easier than the jack stand method I used. Just ratchet strap it up. But that should do it. Thanks for hanging out, guys.